Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you with me on our day out. It's gonna be a family vlog. Today it is gonna be almost 84 degrees in New York City, so this is gonna be our first trip to the beach for the year, and we are so excited. We are big beach people. We love the beach. We love being out in the sun. It's our favorite thing to do in the summer. So this is also going to be the first time that Leo can walk in the beach and be in the sand. He was at the beach last year, but he was just a tiny little baby just laying underneath the tent. This year he'll be playing with the sand and it should be really fun. So we're just going to go for actually like a little picnic and maybe we'll pass by the park. But I'm so excited for this warmer weather. And as you can see, I got my shorts, I got my hat, I'm so ready, and I'm just gonna take you guys with me. So we have arrived to the beach. We are so... Okay, I'm on the sidewalk now. We're so excited. Leo just woke up from a nap, so he's like a little sleepy. Let's make sure no cars are coming. And it feels wonderful. This is the first real beach day in New York City, and I did not think it was gonna be that hot at the beach. Cool, right? No, it's nice. It's not cool at all. It's actually, it might be nice enough to get in the water. It's really, really hot. And we got lucky, we found parking really close, so I'm excited. We're gonna eat, we're gonna chill, we're gonna play, we're gonna catch some sun. And we are all set up in the tent. Leo is already snacking on bananas. He's my handsome husband. Say hi, husband.
Hi, husband.
Stop. And I am here chilling. It is so exciting to see Leo more independent and walking at the beach. Last year was amazing, but it was really, really hard bringing a newborn to the beach, especially for me. If you watch my video on tips for what to bring with a newborn to the beach, you would hear that it was hard on my back and with the nursing, but now Leo is a lot more independent. He's eating whole foods, so this year should be really, really fun. But yeah, we're just gonna sit here and see. We brought some food and we're just gonna hang out, enjoy the sun, try to catch a little sun gradually as the summer starts to come up on us and it gets really, really hot and really intense. Trying to introduce Leo to the sun little by little because he's really, really white and pale and his little body can get burnt really quickly, so we're trying to get, you know, as much sun at a slow pace as possible. Okay, Leo. You keep blocking the camera. Hello. Say hello to the people. All this space in the beach, and he wants to be right on top of me. It's 84 degrees outside. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the hottest time of the day, and he wants to be right on top of me. I love you. I love you so much. Alright, it is hot. I did not think it was gonna be this hot today. Oh, it's literally hot enough to get, to get in the water. I don't have my bathing suit. I'm dying. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. And then this one, he's just nice and free. Enjoying the beach. No baby on top of it. What are you doing? What are you doing, you silly Willy? Oh my gosh, look. Whoa! Well, I'm fixing your hair. You don't want to be bothered? No? What's wrong? You're hot? You're hot? Babe, how hot is it today?
It's nice. It's not that hot.
Oh no, it's too hot.
It's hot, but it's...
Oh, I really wish I could get in the water. Leito, high five? High five! Look at that back, wow! Yay! I think Leo is used to this heat. Like, I think it's like a huge shock for him. That's why he's a little bit moody. Because he's usually really good at this time. He usually has like a lot of energy, playing around. I can't keep him still. But this will be his first time really being aware of how hot it is. Oh, okay. I wasn't making fun of you, baby. I was just laughing. Oh, okay. Cuddly baby, yes. Zoomed in with the thing. Look at this little cuddly baby. I love you. Oh, yeah. You like mama's earrings, right? Can I have this? Oh my god. I give him peas and carrots, he will not even get close to it. First thing he sees at the beach is sand, puts it right in his mouth. Casts it on the floor, puts it right in his mouth. I don't know, it's good. guys, it's 4:38 right now. We are on our way home. We did not stay late at the beach because honestly we went unprepared. We didn't go with enough food or water, and I also didn't take my bathing suit, so I don't want to stay long. It was really hot. There was almost no breeze, so we stood for, what do you think, like 2 or 3 hours? I mean, we got there, yeah, like 3 hours. We kept it nice, sweet, and short. We're gonna head home now. Mauricio is gonna go and play tennis, which now that I'm thinking about it, that's kind of crazy because it is hot. The sun doesn't set until 8 o'clock these days, and you're gonna be hot out there, babe. You better take a big bottle of water. We should stop by the store and get some water. Huh? Leo and I are going home, stay in the shade, take a shower. We have been sweating and cuddling at the beach, so I feel gross. I have to take a shower, and we're gonna eat some dinner, and that's it. A nice simple Saturday at the beach. So
Saturday.
Today's not Saturday?
Today's Wednesday.
Oh my god, today is Wednesday. I thought today was Saturday.
Wednesday. Yo, your clock is messed up.
I am so off. Do you know how many times that has happened to me?
Yeah, fix that.
I gotta fix that. That's that pregnancy brain still lingering, but no, I do. I have to get on point. So we're home. We got home really fast. Look how much I'm breaking up. Cold. I'm breaking out because last week I had an issue with Leo on his pooping, and we had to give him an enema. I don't even want to talk about it. He's better now, but that just stressed me out so much, so I just broke out so much. Anyway, I'm eating my icy. I decided I'm gonna leave the vlog here. As you just saw, Leo knocked out in the car. He had fun. It was exciting, overwhelming, hot. So he is knocked out right now, which is great.
Moment
because
sponsored by Taboo.
he likes to act like he doesn't like the camera, but you'll see once he warms up, you're gonna see a lot more of him here. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm not gonna do anything exciting. I'm just gonna prepare dinner, settle in, take a bath, probably watch a movie and play with Leo, and call it a day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.